This frozen no-bake peanut butter pie serves 8. Prep time about 20 minutes plus 6 hours freezing. A creamy American icebox pie with a graham crust and chocolate topping. Ingredients for the pie: 1 1/2 cups graham cracker crumbs, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened at room temperature, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 1 1/2 cups cold heavy cream, divided, 1 cup for whipping and 1/2 cup for the ganache, 6 ounces semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a medium bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups graham cracker crumbs with 6 tablespoons melted unsalted butter and stir until the crumbs are evenly moistened. Press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie dish to form an even crust. Freeze the crust for 10 minutes to set. Beat 8 ounces cream cheese in a bowl until smooth, about 1 to 2 minutes on medium speed. Add 3/4 cup powdered sugar to the cream cheese and beat until fully combined, about 1 minute. Add 1 cup creamy peanut butter to the bowl and mix until smooth and uniform, about 1 minute. In a separate chilled bowl, whip 1 cup cold heavy cream to soft peaks, about 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high speed. Gently fold the whipped cream into the peanut butter and cream cheese mixture until fully combined, using gentle strokes to keep the filling light, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Spoon the peanut butter filling into the chilled crust and smooth the top with an offset spatula for an even layer. Heat 1/2 cup heavy cream until hot and steaming but not boiling, about 45 seconds in the microwave or until about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the hot cream over 6 ounces semi-sweet chocolate chips and let sit for 1 minute, then stir until a glossy ganache forms. Spoon the warm ganache over the peanut butter filling and spread it to the edges so the top is evenly coated. Freeze the assembled pie uncovered for at least 6 hours or overnight until firm. Remove the pie from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for 10 minutes to soften slightly before slicing. For cleaner slices, dip a knife in hot water and wipe between cuts. Serve the pie chilled in slices and enjoy. This completes the recipe. If you like this frozen no-bake peanut butter pie, like the video, subscribe for more desserts, and hit the bell to get notified. Thanks for watching.